everyone, this is Sabrina from Sabrina the Teenage Stitch. Welcome to my channel and a new video. It would be really nice if you could click on the like buttons, subscription button, and of course the little bell next to the subscription button so you know when a new video is published. As you can see, I am still quite shy and nervous in front of the camera. Still quite new to me, so please forgive my shakiness or hesitations and things like that. So the idea of this video is to tell you about the Knitcrate. After many months of watching people's videos on their Knitcrate unboxing and reveal videos, I have been really fascinated by them. So what is Knitcrate? It is essentially a subscription where you subscribe and you get a box every month. It is like a surprise. Every month you open your box, you never know what's inside. You know it's yarn accompanied by some patterns, a crochet and a knitting pattern. And usually all the yarns are some different 4 colorways. But which colorways do you get? You never know until you open your box, which is really fascinating to me. And every time I've watched people unboxing their things, and the wool just seems so nice, and the patterns as well. So I have joined. I have joined in August. In August they had a flash sale. So I'm going to unbox my first boxes. It came with 2 boxes this time. I'm not sure which one's which. I've got my 2 first Knitcrate videos. So I'll pause here and then I will unbox my first box. See you in a second. Okay, so the first box, here we are. I am opening it up and wow. This is amazing. I guess this was the box that was the flash sale box because there's no pattern to it. But the wool is seriously nice and very soft. And the colors are amazing. So without further ado, I will reveal the wool or yarn. It is Knitology by Knitcrate. And the color way is Pause Off. It's an interesting name. Let's see if I can show you. It's not focusing, but it is Pause Off. There we are. And the wool is here. Look at the colors. This is just amazing, isn't it? Don't know if you can see, I don't know if the camera is making this justice, but all these different blues and greens together. It is absolutely amazing. And this comes with 2 skeins of 100 grams each. There we are. So scrumptious and so squishy and just, oh, this is so lovely. I love it. I don't know what I'll be making with this, but let's see. I think this is Aran weight. Aran weight, or for the USA, this is worsted weight, which you need a 5mm needle or a US 8. I absolutely love it. On with the second box. So I'm back with the second box now, and I must admit I am just as excited to open this box as I opened the first one. So here it is. And I forgot to mention right at the beginning that these boxes come from the USA, right from, I think it's Florida. Absolutely amazing. So this box, I will open it now. immediately I am greeted with a book called Indiglo. I think this is the monthly theme. So you open it up. It tells you about the yarn, which is superwash merino, 100% superwash merino, finger weight, and there's 200 grams of that in the box. And you open the book up. So here's the book. When you open it up, it tells you about the designers right here. And it shows you what patterns you get. So there's a knit pattern and a crochet pattern. The knit one is called Gully Washer, and the crochet is called Caribbean Escape. This sounds wonderful. Here's the knitting one, and here's the crochet one. Not too sure which one I'll be doing myself yet. On with the wool or yarn, whatever you prefer to call it. And it is, wow, amazing. Words cannot put this, I cannot put this into words, I'm sorry. The wool is so soft, so squishy, so yummy. I absolutely love it. Just lovely. Look at the colors. So there's a 200 grams put together. And the colors are just amazing. I'm not sure what color you would call this, but the colorway here is called Highlight. It is lovely. Look at the flecks of colors in here. I cannot wait to get started with this project. It'll be absolutely amazing to work with. Well, that was my second box. So that was my very first Knitcrate unveiling, unboxing video, whatever you want to call it. I was super excited to open them. It's been super fun to make. And there we are. All I can do now is thank you very much for watching. My next video will be the September Knitcrate. Look forward to seeing you all. Bye for now. Happy crochet and knitting.